On the News Hour tonight, let me welcome everyone. Now on the screen we have, on the top right, we have Maulana Maqsood Ul Hasan Kazmi. To the left hand side of that, we have with us Dr. Zeenat Shaukat Ali, Professor of Islamic Studies at the Wisdom Foundation. And we have with us also, to my left on the screen, we have Asma Zahra. She's an Executive Committee member of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board. Then we have Shaista Ambar, President of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board. We have Badr Saeed, women's rights activist and advocate from Chennai. And we have Afreen Rahman. And of course, Maulana Maqsood Ul Hasan Kazmi. Afreen Rahman is a petitioner in this case of triple talaq. She's joining us from Jaipur. And I'd like her to start the debate by talking to Asma Zahra. Can I have both the ladies on the screen, please? आफरीन रहमान, पहले आपसे मैं पूछना चाहूँगा कि आपको तलाक दिया गया 2014 में, आपकी शादी हुई, निकाह हुआ और उसके बाद you were beaten and harassed by your in-laws, and after being beaten and harassed by her in-laws, she was given talaq through speed post. आपको speed post में तलाक दिया गया. अपने एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में थोड़ा कुछ कहें, उसके बाद मैं पूछना चाहूँगा डॉक्टर आसमा ज़ाहरा से कि क्या ये अलाउड है. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हैपेंड टू यू? यस प्लीज. आफरीन रहमान, आप कहिए.
In October 2015, when I was in Jaipur, and I was traveling with my mother, and we met with an accident, and I lost my mother that time. I got injured badly. My 6 ribs got fractured. I got so many stitches on my hands, faces. After that, my husband came to me for 10 days. But after that, वो उसके बाद कभी नहीं आए. And उसके बाद मैं अपने in-law से, मेरी mother-in-law से, मेरे husband से मैं पूछती रही when you will come. तो उनका एक ही रिप्लाई होता था from November to January कि we will come within 15 days, we will come within 17 days. हमको अभी सीट का रिजर्वेशन नहीं मिल रहा है. ऐसे एक्सक्यूजेस देते रहे वो नवंबर से, और 27 जनवरी 2016 को उन्होंने मुझे ट्रिपल तलाक स्पीड पोस्ट के थ्रू भेज दिया. अब मेरा इसमें ये पॉइंट है कि एक तो इसमें कोई लॉजिकल रीजंस नहीं दिए गए मुझको. लॉजिकल रीज़न क्या, मुझसे वो बात ही नहीं कही गई, वो मुझसे रिकन्सिलिएशन का टाइम ही नहीं दिया गया, रिकन्सिडरेशन का टाइम ही नहीं दिया गया, रीजंस ही नहीं बताए गए कि आखिर तलाक क्यों दिया गया. He blocked me from everywhere since November. He blocked me from FB, from WhatsApp, from every phone calls. कभी उसने मेरे से बात नहीं करी. He just sent to me a divorce, this triple talaq. So मेरा यही पूछना है कि क्या ये ट्रिपल तलाक जायज़ है?
जी, आसमा ज़ाहरा है. Right? आसमा ज़ाहरा कहती है जायज़ है. No, I'd like to get her point of view on it.
To begin with, Islam says when you keep the women, treat them kindly. وَعَاشِرُهُنَّ بِالْمَعْرُوفِ. Men are ordered to treat their women kindly. That is the rule of Sharia. That is what is said in the Quran and the Hadith. The sad story of the sister who is putting up before us from Jaipur, it's the problem of the man. He ill-treated her. There is nothing wrong with the law. There is nothing wrong with the divorce procedure prescribed in the Quran and the Hadith.
No, there is.
Why is nothing wrong with the procedure?
There is absolutely.
He is misusing Islam.
Asma Zahra, Asma ji, please listen to her.
The wife equal rights.
Asma ji, listen to her.
The wife is having equal rights as the husband.
He is not wrong.
Both have equal rights.
ऐसे बहुत से आदमी होंगे और आप हर आदमी को wrong नहीं कह सकती. Because he is misusing the Islam. He is taking disadvantages of the Islam law, you know.
The problem is in the society. There is a need for social reform.
It's not about the problem in the society. It's about he is, and several Muslim men misusing this Islam.
We are sympathizing.
क्यों आप इस्लाम को बर्बाद और तबाह करने में लगे हैं? ऐसे सोसाइटी को बुरा कहकर वो मिसयूज कर रहे हैं इस्लाम का. मैम, वो मिसयूज कर रहे हैं इस्लाम का.
नहीं सीधी
हाँ।
बात ये है, सीधी
So
बात
you
है।
are
मुझे
agreeing that men
मुझे एक
are
बात बताइए,
misusing.
सुनिए
Men, it's the problem with the men. They are ordered to
डॉक्टर
treat
अस्मा
the wife
ज़हरा, कैन आई
kindly.
आस्क यू समथिंग?
आप क्यों दर्द, आप why are not getting my, you know,
Yeah,
आप क्यों
please,
दर्द नहीं
please
समझ
go
पा रही है
ahead,
मेरा
Arnab,
कि जब
go
वो
ahead.
मुझ पे बीती, I lost my father, I lost my mother, so why don't you understand my pain? क्यों आप दर्द नहीं समझ पा रही है? एक आप औरत होकर औरत का कि मुझ पे क्या बीती होगी? ये ट्रिपल तलाक आया।
Sympathize with your personal problems. We really sympathize with your personal
No, it's not
problems,
about personal
sister.
problems.
But
It's
here the
अगर मेरी
problem is
personal
not with the
problem
law.
होती
There
तो
is no
I will sort
problem
out my
with the
personal
Muslim
problems.
law.
It's about he is misusing
Sister,
the
you have gone
Muslim.
through a bad phase.
He
Your
is
husband has treated
he
you
is
in a very
Muslim and
wrong
he is
manner.
misusing
So
the Islam.
solution-
No.
No, once. I'd go.
See, sister, see,
Can
the
I
problem
please?
is different
Asma
and the
Zahra ji,
solution that you
Asma
have
Zahra ji, just 1 minute.
जी बताइए, जी बताइए, जी
I'm
बताइए,
surprised.
जी बताइए.
I'm surprised. I'm surprised actually.
Yes.
You
tell
are
me, tell me
Me
what's
too,
the
Arnab, me
question
you're
too.
an
on your
I'm too
executive committee
surprised.
member of the All India
Tell me
Muslim.
what's the question on your
You are
mind.
an executive committee member of the All India Muslim Personal Law
Yes.
Board, and you don't even
Yes.
know what is written in the Quran. Have you read the Quran?
Yes, I know very well. Yes, of course.
Arnab,
No, you have not. You don't seem to know what is in the Quran. No, you don't know what is in the Quran. Tell me where in the Quran is it written? Where in the Quran is it written that you can carry out triple talaq through speed post? Where in the Quran is it written that you can divorce, you can have talaq through WhatsApp, through speed post, through email? And where in the Quran is
No,
it
it's
written?
not written
You are
anywhere in Quran.
allowing the misinterpretation
These are
and the
methods of
subversion of the Quran. The Muslim
It's not
Personal
that-
Law
it's
Board,
not written
I accuse the
anywhere in
Muslim
the Quran
Personal Law Board
that
of misinterpreting
कि
and
ये
subverting
validate
what
हो
is written
जाएगा
in the
triple
Quran.
talaq
Nowhere in the
speed post
Quran
के
does it say that 3 talaqs pronounced together make a divorce legal. Nowhere does
In
it
the
say that.
Quran,
Nowhere does it say
in
that.
the Quran, it is
Zinat
said
Shaukat Ali
the
will
man
clarify.
has a right to divorce the wife.
No.
The woman has a right to seek divorce from
With the
husband.
consent of the wife.
See, the
With the
Quran is
consent
very
of the
clear
wife.
in the matter
With
of
the
separation
consent of the
husband.
wife.
It is
Asma
not with
Zahra.
the consent of the wife. See, there are 3 methods
Asma
of
Zahra
divorce. Let
Saab
me
is
put
living in
before you what is the
pre-Islamic
Quranic
Arabia,
instruction.
unfortunately.
No, one second.
Let me put before you what are the Quranic
Asma
instructions.
Zahra, this is
The
India, not
Quran
Arabia.
says
Yeah.
if a
No,
man,
that's pre-Islamic
if a
Arabia.
man doesn't want to maintain, if a man doesn't want to continue the marital relationship,
Can I have
he has
Asma-
the right
can I
to
have
divorce
please
his
Afreen
wife.
on the screen, please?
And the
She's
woman
responding.
has the right to seek divorce. This is called khula. So there is talaq, there is khula, there is a third way of separation, that is by the
I am
parties,
not talking
which is the
about khula.
dissolution
I
of
am not
marriage.
talking about
The Quran
khula.
is very
I am not
clear.
talking about
The
khula.
Quran is very
Here we
clear
are
in the
talking about triple
methodology.
talaq.
The
Here we
Quran
are
is
talking
very
about
clear
triple
on the
talaq.
procedure.
Yes,
The
Quran is very clear about the procedure. In talaq
The
e
Quran
biddat,
is very
it's
clear
not
about
written
the
in Quran
procedure.
ki
Quran gives
no,
very
no, no.
clear
In talaq
guidelines.
ehsan it is
We
written.
all exist in
This
society.
triple talaq in Quran
We
is
have
say
a family.
ये जो ट्रिपल तलाक में कुरान है
We
इसको
have a
तलाक की बिद्दत
family.
कहा जाता है
The
मैम,
elders
और
of
इसका
the
कहीं भी
family
कुरान में
try to
जिक्र
resolve
नहीं
the
है.
dispute.
तलाक
See,
तलाक
we
की
are all
बिद्दत को
living
एक
in the
बहुत बड़ा
society.
गुनाह माना
India,
जाता है,
in
हराम
India,
माना
we
जाता
all
है,
have family.
और आप इस हराम को, इस गुनाह को आप साथ दे रही हैं मैम. आप इसका फेवर करके आप इसका साथ दे रही
उसकी मजम्मत
हैं
करते
इस
हैं।
तलाक की बिद्दत को.
नहीं, अगर कोई मिसयूज करता है, बहन अगर कोई मिसयूज करता है, हम उसकी पूरी मजम्मत करते हैं. We condemn such acts.
Condemnations
If a man
don't
is ill-treating the wife,
Condemnations don't
आपके
help.
husband
Zinat
ने
Shaukat
आपके
Ali,
साथ
please.
ill-treatment किया है.
Zinat Shaukat Ali,
There
please.
are
Yes, please. Zinat
many
Shaukat Ali.
ways you can
Zinat
fight for
Shaukat
your
Ali,
right.
please. One second.
लेकिन इसमें solution
Dr.
ये
Asma
नहीं है कि
Zahra,
आप तलाक
Dr.
के
Zahra,
कानून को challenge
Dr.
करें.
Zahra, please be patient and listen to some others also, and please understand this, that I'm shocked
Yeah,
and
sure,
horrified
sure.
that people like you don't have any knowledge of the Quran. The Quran, I ask you this, does the Quran
We have
not
a-
say
we have a
in
very
Surah
clear
4,
understanding of the
para
Quran.
34
There is no
and
problem in our
35?
understanding.
The Quran
the laws
says-
are very clear.
the Quran
laws are
says-
very well defined. The laws give very clear cut
You
instructions.
are
There is no
allowing,
problem at all.
you know, problem
It's
is
very
that you
clear
are
before
allowing the
everybody. There
male
is no
chauvinists
confusion.
among Muslims.
There is no confusion.
You are allowing the male chauvinists among Muslims to get away.
There is no
You must not
confusion
allow
at
them.
all.
You must take them on. And I want Zinat Shaukat Ali to come into the debate. As far as I know, the Quran says something completely different. The
Absolutely.
Quran says that there is a 3-step process
I
towards
can quote
reconciliation.
what the Quran
Absolutely.
says.
This is
Quran
rubbish.
gives the
One second, please.
procedure.
I think
Yes.
we need to do away with triple talaq, and I really hope that this government does away with the Muslim personal law and the Muslim personal law board. This country has no space for any Muslim law or Hindu law or any other law.
This country is a secular country.
We have to
It's
do
a
away with
democratic
Muslim
country.
law completely.
It's a secular,
Now,
democratic country.
yes, it's a secular country.
Every
That's why there is no
minority
space
has
for
a
Muslim
right.
personal law.
See,
Please,
the tribals,
please,
the
Zina
tribals
Chaukat Ali,
have their
please. Zina
rights.
Chaukat Ali.
The
There's a
tribals have
two-way
their rights.
conversation.
And-
If she stops talking,
and
I
we,
can...
the
Go ahead,
Muslim
go ahead, go ahead.
minorities also enjoy the rights under the Constitution.
Dr. Asma, you had your say. Now can I have mine, please? It's your turn is over. Now my turn starts, okay? Muslim Personal Law Board itself calls the talaq-e-bidat sinful. It calls it a punishable crime and it calls it innovative. Does it not? It calls talaq-e-bidat, which does away with a woman, which is a talaq-e-bain. When there is no reconciliation, there is no process at all of people, shall we say, arbitration coming in or mediation between the two parties. This kind of a talaq is called by the Muslim Personal Law Board, madam, where you belong, as sinful, as innovative, and as a punishable crime. Now tell me, does Islam permit something that is punishable, that is sinful? Are you telling me that Islam permits something that is sinful? That is my first question to you. And now let us go on, that when the Quran is telling you that marriage is a bilateral contract, marriage is a place where two people have to agree. A woman has to give a consent and a man has to give a consent. 3 times they have to say yes before the marriage is complete. How can you introduce an old pre-Islamic law to give the husband the absolute right to do away with his wife when he's drunk? Now tell me, does the Quran permit people to drink alcohol? As far as I know, any
Maulana has
kind
no
of
reply.
nasha is haram in Islam. So
Maulana
when
has
he's
no
done
reply.
something haram, can he give a talaq? Can he give a talaq when a woman, poor thing, is pregnant? Can he give a talaq when he is in a sleep? Can he give a talaq when he is angry? कि भाई तुमने आज खाना नहीं बनाया, आज बच्चों को स्कूल में तुमने नहीं भेजा, तो तलाक तलाक तलाक. ये क्या मजाक लगाया है? Are you out to defame Islam? Are you out
That's
to...
what Maulana wants to do.
Are you out to... spoil the name of Islam, which I'm sorry to say that you are doing, madam.
That is
and
what,
your whole group.
And the problem is that people like Dr. Asma Zahra have the support of people like Maulana Maqsood Ul Hasan Kazmi, and Maulana Masood Ul Hasan Kazmi and people like him say that we are a secular country. I think all those people are foolish who think that it is secular to allow triple talaq. It is not secular to allow triple talaq. Do you understand that loud and clear, Maulana Masood Ul Hasan Kazmi? On the news are tonight, आपको आज समझ आ रही होगी कि ये मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ ज्यादा दिन रहने वाली नहीं है इस देश में. That will be a day to celebrate.
अगर आप लोग ऐसा करेंगे तो कैसे रहेगी वो लॉ?
That will be a day to celebrate when Muslim personal law is set aside forever in this country. Now listen to me. The Quran, no, 1 minute sir, 1 minute sir, I've studied the subject. Does the Quran not say that between the 3 talaqs there is a waiting period explained in Surah 2, para 228 and 229? Then tell me, why then does the All India Muslim Personal Law Board think it is okay to do away with the iddah? It seems to me tonight that the entire process of divorce as outlined in the Quran has been misinterpreted,
misused,
violated by the Muslim Personal Law Board. So I ask this question tonight, what right does this body have to exist? This body called the Muslim Personal Law Board must be immediately dissolved, so that no longer can it misinterpret the Quran and deny the Muslims of India their rights as per the Constitution of India. You must immediately disband the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, sir. आपने इतना बुरा किया है लोगों पर, इतने औरतों पर इतना जुल्म किया है कि मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड हैज नो राइट टू एग्जिस्ट. मौलाना मसूद उल हसन काज़मी, आज डिबेट हो जाए, आप डिबेट कीजिए on points with me tonight.
Yes.
On facts you debate with me tonight. Yeah.
First of all, you going one-sided. The Afreen you put on air, who is accusing her husband of mistreatment and beating her up by her husband. But you to take the other side of the story of her husband, you don't put him on the air.
आप बार बार मेरे पति को क्यों बुलाना चाहते हैं? आप बार बार मेरे हस्बैंड को वाई यू आर कॉलिंग अगेन एंड अगेन हिम कि उसको भी टीवी में बुलाइए। आपको इतनी सिंपैथी क्यों है मर्दों से? मौलाना साहब, आपको लगता है कि मैं झूठ बोल रही हूँ? He is not ready to talking to me since November.
मुझे मत टोको ना, पहले मेरी बात तो सुन लो, पहले मेरी बात तो सुन।
नहीं, जरूर टोकेगी।
मेरी बात तो सुन लो।
नहीं, वो
क्यों आप बार बार ये कहते हैं कि उसके पति को बुलाया जाए, उसका भी पक्ष रखा जाए?
वो क्यों चुप
You are accusing her. He has right to defend himself as well.
No, I am just telling my story here. I am just speaking truth here.
Principle of journalist.
Don't teach me.
This is against the principles of journalistic approach.
Maulana,
you are going one-sided.
Maulana, listen to me. Please calm down. ठंडे दिमाग से सोचिए। ये देखिए, आपको बुरा लग रहा है क्योंकि मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ जाने वाला है, जाएगा। आपको बुरा लग रहा है ट्रिपल तलाक जाएगा, बदलाव आएगी। यूनिफॉर्म
ट्रिपल तलाक को तो बैन होना ही चाहिए।
मौलाना, लिसन टू मी।
If it is banned already in 22 countries, why not in India now?
I'll tell you why, Maulana, you don't like. I know. I'll tell you why you don't like Afreen Rahman. One second. Afreen, I'll tell you why they don't like you. I'll tell you, Afreen, why Maulana does not like you. आपको देखते देखते ये मौलाना को गुस्सा आ रहा है। क्यों गुस्सा आ रहा है आप समझिए। नहीं, सुनिए क्या कह रहा हूं मैं, सच कह रहा हूं। सुनिए, सुनने का समय आ चुका है। आप सुनिए मेरी बात।
We have sympathy with her, Arnab.
No, she doesn't want your sympathy. She does not. You know, you don't like her. You know, I'll tell you why you don't like her. You don't like her because she does not need your sympathy.
सिंपैथी नहीं चाहिए।
You don't like her because she does not need your sympathy.
बैन होगी।
Why are you not taking him on the air?
और सुनिए मौलाना, आपसे मैं कुछ कह रहा हूँ। आप चिल्लाइए मत, आप मेरे से सीनियर हैं, मगर मैं आवाज नहीं उठाना चाहता आपके सामने। जरूरत पड़ेगा तो उठाऊंगा, मगर तब तक मुझे मौका न दीजिए प्लीज। आप उनको, आप सुनिए, आप मेरे से उम्र में बड़े हैं, मैं आपसे चीख के बात नहीं करना चाहता, सीधी बात कर रहा हूँ। आप ये पसंद, आप सुनिए मेरी बात मौलाना जी, सुनिए। आप पसंद नहीं कर रहे हैं, क्या कह रही हैं इधर आज आफरीन रहमान जयपुर से? आप पसंद नहीं कर रहे हैं क्योंकि वो बेचारी नहीं है। आप उनको बेचारी बनाने का कोशिश मत कीजिए, पहली बात। दूसरी बात,
भाई वो हमारी बेटी है।
नहीं, she does not need your protection. She needs justice.
बैन कीजिए।
आप क्या कह रहे हो?
बेटी के का सिंपैथी नहीं चाहिए मुझे आपकी सर।
Yes, please go ahead.
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ जो आदमी इस तरह की तलाक देता है वो बहुत खतरनाक आदमी है, उसको पनिशमेंट होना चाहिए। और मैं तो कहता हूँ इस तरह की जो ट्रिपल तलाक देता है, 1 करोड़ रुपए का पनिशमेंट का उसको पेनाल्टी रखनी चाहिए। मगर
1 करोड़ का पनिशमेंट
बोलिए
क्यों नहीं करेंगे?
It does not mean you are going to abolish it.
आपने बहुत बेहतर कहा मौलाना साहब कि उनको पनिशमेंट मिलना चाहिए। दूसरी कंट्रीज में, पाकिस्तान में तो उनको जेल में डाल देते 2 साल के लिए और 10,000 रुपए का फाइन देते। आप उनको क्या 80 कोड़े मारने को तैयार है? वो इस्लामिक लॉ है। आप इस्लामिक लॉ को अगर इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहते हैं तो मारिए कोड़े।
That is why we are empty-handed. Our hands are tied.
You're not empty-handed, sir.
Islamic law.
मौलाना साहब,
no, your hands are
अच्छा सुनिए 1 मिनट सुनिए। ये जो इस्लामिक स्टेट है वो कहती है कि जहाँ हमने अपना वो क्या रूल बना के रखा हुआ है, जो टेररिस्ट है वो कहते हैं वहां पे असली इस्लाम है क्योंकि हम लोगों का हाथ काट देते हैं।
वो आतंकवादी हैं, वो
नहीं, मगर वो कहते हैं कि जहाँ पे वो कहते हैं हमारा शरिया है भाई, वहां पे चोर पकड़ा जाए तो हाथ काट देते हैं। नहीं, वो कहते हैं नहीं, वो कहते हैं कि हाथ काट देते हैं, तो आप हाथ भी काटेंगे? No, why not? No, what do you want this country to be savage?
ने कहा था कि रेपिस्ट को फांसी होना चाहिए।
You can't have this. I have to understand.
कि रेपिस्ट को फांसी होना चाहिए। I condone him. I support अडवाणी जी।
मेरी एक बात सुनिए। देखिए, जैसा कि मौलाना अबू लाला मौदूदी साहब ने कहा है, मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ, उनके छपे हुए अल्फाज मेरे पास है कि जब इस्लामिक लॉ डेवलप हुआ इतने सालों से, कुछ वैक्यूम में नहीं था इस्लामिक लॉ, वो सालों साल से डेवलप होते जा रहा था। आज देखिए, जब इन्होंने ये सवाल किया है, जो क्रिमिनल लॉज है वो कहीं भी दुनिया में नहीं है except in
Okay,
Saudi Arabia.
let's get Badr Saeed. Let's get Badr Saeed into the debate, and let's get Shaista Ambar into the debate, and let's get Ahmad Ayaz into the debate. They have not spoken. Badr Saeed, you've been listening on to the debate. Badr Saeed, you've been listening on to the debate. Badr Saeed, you know, I think the Quran has been misinterpreted in this case. I think it's been deliberately misinterpreted. You've heard this point of view. Tell me, does the Holy Quran allow a man to pronounce talaq at any point of time on email, on WhatsApp, right, on a telegram or on speed post? Please.
You're asking me, Mr.
Yes, I'm
Goswami?
asking you. Yes, yes.
Okay, that is a straight no for an answer. But I would like to keep religion away from this discussion.
Sure.
I am demanding gender justice for the Muslim woman. My religion certainly gives me justice, but the intermediaries, like the people on your debate today,
Sure.
they are preventing me from getting justice. So what do? I get to the court. If I get to the court, what am I told? By the same people on your debate now. You can't go to court. That's interference in the Muslim personal law. It certainly
Who says
is
that
not.
to you?
I do want to point out.
Who
I
says
want
that
to
to you?
point out that what about. Well, that is the whole thing, that you can't go to court. They don't want us to go to court because then the courts will decide. And it is the court of competent jurisdiction that needs to decide this.
Okay,
For
Ahmad
give me a
Ayaz, just at
minute
this
more.
point, Badr Saeed, at this point, 1 minute, at this point, Badr Saeed,
This is
Ahmad
the
Ayaz,
one of
please
the
tell me 1 second.
fundamental
My question is to
rights to
Ahmad
profess
Ayaz.
any
Ahmad
religion.
Ayaz, here's an
How
issue.
can-
Ahmad Ayaz, my question to you is this. Badr Saeed is a women's rights activist, right? She's the past chairperson of the Tamil Nadu Waqf Board. She's an advocate. She knows her rights. She's exercising them. She's going to the court. I personally believe triple talaq cannot be allowed under any form of justice, you know, for humanity, for human beings, leave alone Hindu, Muslim, any other law. Why does she not have a right to go to court? Why does it make the Muslim Personal Law Board insecure?
To begin with, I would expect Arnab Goswami to be very reasonable, as otherwise everybody from this end feels very bad on being on your channel. So far as today's discussion is concerned, there is a lot of misgiving and misinterpretations. It is said that the Muslim women are ill-treated and it comes from the Islam. So it's not that. In general, it's not that. Islam wants women to be treated respectably and kindly. There's no doubt about it. Any Muslim who knows the Islam will definitely be following this and can't deviate. So far as this triple talaq issue is concerned, Islam has well defined and there is laid down procedures for everything for a Muslim as to how he conducts his life throughout. Insofar as this
But
very
does a woman have a
part
right
is
for triple
concerned-
talaq? No, 1 second. Does a woman have a right for triple talaq? Since you're saying
Yeah. I will come
a
to that.
woman,
I
a
will come
woman
to
can
that.
send triple
I will come
talaq
to
through
that.
speed post. So a Muslim woman
I
can
will come to that,
can a
Mr.
Muslim woman divorce her husband through speed post? No, can a Muslim woman divorce her husband through WhatsApp?
It's not Muslim.
No, can a Muslim woman divorce her husband on email or on the phone?
No.
Or SMS?
See,
No, then how is it reasonable?
Please. This is.
Then how
not
do you
that
call it
easy.
reasonable?
This is not that easy. You know.
What do you mean it's not easy?
Divorcing a woman. Divorcing a woman
Then
is
why
not
it's
that
easy for
easy as
man?
it is
Then
being
why it's
said.
easy for a man?
It is absolutely. Please listen. Absolutely not. It is under extreme conditions. After your reconciliation must have failed. After your
Absolutely wrong. Badr Saeed is countering you. Badr Saeed, please. Badr Saeed countering you. Go ahead, Miss Saeed.
And conditions.
Miss Saeed.
And conditions must
Mr. Goswami, I want to say this, that
conditions must
it
have
is-
become so that it has become
It is for the court
enormously
to decide.
impossible for the
They are the
court
ones
to
to
live
decide.
together.
what is triple talaq, what any kind of talaq, whether followed properly or whatever way it is followed. It is for the courts to decide what is right and what is wrong. Just like we go under the Guardians and Wards Act for custody of children, nobody opens their mouth.
Courts have nothing to do with it. Muslim personal law is the
Pardon?
supreme, and there is no court to decide about it.
No, of
It
course not. What
already
is the harm in
settled
going
and
to court?
defined.
It is the court to
Islam has
decide.
already defined.
There is something called gender justice, and it
No,
is
no,
for
no,
the
it's
courts
not
to
that. It is
decide
not.
what should be done.
You
Both
see-
parties
you
should
see,
be heard.
so
There
far as-
cannot be any more unilateral
See, if-
divorce. It can never happen anymore. The Supreme Court is definitely going to adjudicate.
Shaista
And what we
Ambar,
want
please, from
is
Hyderabad into the debate,
adjudication
please.
by the
She's president of the
Supreme
All
Court.
India Muslim Women Personal Law Board.
I
I'd like
tell you
Shaista
that-
Ambar to come to the debate with Ahmad Ayaz, please. Shaista Ambar, please. Shaista Ambar from Hyderabad, please. Shaista Ambar, go ahead. Miss Ambar. Miss
देखिए,
Ambar,
ऐसा है-
Miss Ambar, बोलिए. Shaista Ambar, बोलिए.
देखिए, जिस तरह से हमारी बहन अस्मा जहरा साहबा कह रही हैं कि तलाक हो गया है, मुझे बहुत अफसोस हो रहा है कि ये एक ऐसे तंजीम से की जिम्मेदार मेंबर हो करके, एक औरत हो करके इस तरह की बात कर रही हैं। अगर अल्लाह ताला को एक ही झटके में तलाक कहना था तो 3 महीने का मौका क्यों दिया? सूरह बाकी की 228 और 229 में क्यों अल्लाह ताला कहता है कि झटके होने से पहले रुकी रहो?
बहन, एक झटके का जो तरीका है वो तरीका इस्तेमाल करने वाला गलत इस्तेमाल कर रहा है।
यहाँ पे अल्लाह ताला मौका देता है, लेकिन इनको तो सिर्फ इस बात से कि तलाक हो गया तो हो गया। इंटरनेट SMS ये सारी चीजों का तलाक वैलिडिटी है ही नहीं। हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने पूरा तरीका बताया है। उमर बिन अब्दुल्ला साहब ने रज़ियल्लाहु ताला ने जब अपनी बीवी को नापाकी की हालत में तलाक दिया,
अल्लाह ताला ने पूरा तरीका बताया है
और कहा फौरन जाकर के अपनी बीवी को एक्सेप्ट करो। हज़रत रुकाना रज़ियल्लाहु ताला ने जब गुस्से में अपनी बीवी को 3 बार तलाक दिया तो हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, क्या तुम चाहते हो कि अपनी बीवी के पास वापस पलटो? उन्हीं ने कहा, या रसूल अल्लाह, मुझसे गलती हो गई, मैं अपनी बीवी को नहीं छोड़ना चाहता हूँ। तो आपने कहा कि ठीक है, 3 बार तुमने दिया है, एक ही बार माना जाएगा, जाओ अपनी बीवी के पास जाओ। इस तरह से हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम गुस्सा हो जाते थे। जब हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने ये बात कही है कि
हमारी
गुस्से में इस तरह से तलाक मत दो, जब नियत नहीं थी उसकी तलाक देने की, तब इस तरह को तलाक को उसको वैलिड नहीं माना गया। लेकिन ये पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड जबरदस्ती तलाक को वैलिड मान लेता है और इस तरह घर बर्बाद करता है। पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड औरतों के तलाक और निकाह और खुला और हलाला को लेकर के 72 में बना था, लेकिन औरतों के मसलों को कोई तरह हल नहीं कर पाया, इसलिए ये अपनी अहमियत खो चुका है। अब सुप्रीम कोर्ट में हम लोगों को उम्मीद है कि जिन औरतों की जिंदगी बर्बाद हुई है, चाहे वो आफरी हो, चाहे वो सायरा बानो है, चाहे वो महाराष्ट्र की हिना हो, चाहे बहुत सारी औरतें हैं, वो सारी तलाक से लेकर के सुप्रीम कोर्ट दौड़ रही हैं। बहुत की औरतों की किस्मत में बहुत अच्छे वकील हैं, वो वकील फाइट कर लेते हैं, लेकिन बहुत सी औरतों की किस्मत में वकील अच्छे नहीं हैं। वो फैमिली कोर्ट में उनके मुकदमे पड़े, सालों साल पड़े हुए हैं, लेकिन उनको हल नहीं मिल रहा है। दारुल कज़ाएं बिल्कुल एक पक्ष को सुनती हैं, दूसरे पक्ष को नहीं सुनती। अभी 29 अप्रैल को एक डॉक्टर हिना MBBS डॉक्टर हैं, उनको जबरदस्ती स्पीड पोस्ट से तलाक दे दिया, उनको पता भी नहीं चला। और जब वो मुफ्ती के पास गई तो मुफ्ती ने बात नहीं किया। जब मुफ्ती को चाहिए था कि वो औरत की बात सुनते, उसके मसले सुनते, उसका हक सुनते।
मुफ्ती साहब अपना पल्ला एक बड़ी आसान तरीके से झाड़ लेते हैं कि हमको नहीं पता, हमको फतवा नहीं दे सकते।
महिला काजी होनी चाहिए, महिला मुफ्ती बैठनी चाहिए, ताकि एक महिला अपनी बात को एक महिला से कह सके। ये पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड की अगर
डॉक्टर अस्मा 1 मिनट, डॉक्टर अस्मा 1 मिनट, शाइस्ता अंबर 1 मिनट, शाइस्ता अंबर, my question is very simple. My point is more limited. See, 1 second.
Let me respond to Shaista.
शाइस्ता जी प्लीज 1 मिनट, शाइस्ता जी 1 मिनट, शाइस्ता जी 1 मिनट।
जुल्म हुआ है, आप चाहते हैं ये खवातीन जिनके साथ जुल्म हुआ है वो दोबारा जाके उन्हीं आदमियों के साथ रहें, उन्हीं शोहरों के साथ रहें जिन्होंने इनके साथ जुल्म किया है?
No, that's not the point. 1 second. Dr. Zeenat is responding. Dr. Zeenat.
डॉक्टर शाहिस्ता, आप शांत हो जाएं।
शाइस्ता नहीं, डॉक्टर अस्मा।
सॉरी, डॉक्टर अस्मा।
डॉक्टर अस्मा।
आप बात
exit.
आप
The
बात
divorce
सुनिए।
is a safe exit. Let me tell you, the divorce is a safe exit.
No woman would want to go back,
And
but the
you
point
should
is
not take it
that the
only on one
procedure
sided.
has to be correct.
The-
ये procedure जब गलत है
Yes,
तो आप
for
ये
that we
procedure
need
को
to educate
निकाल क्यों
men.
नहीं देते?
For that we need to educate the people to
No,
utilize the
I can't
procedure
talk to
properly.
You know,
We need to
Dr.
educate
Asma
the
Zahra,
people.
Dr.
There is
Asma
a
Zahra,
need
I've
for
been listening to
social
this
reform.
debate.
There is a need
a
आप
for
couple of
बिल्कुल
social
points.
गलत है
reform.
डॉक्टर
The
A
men
couple of
need to
points, if
treat
I may,
women kindly.
if I just make a couple of
The
points at this
misuse
stage.
is abused by the society.
Please, can I
There is nothing
request
wrong
you?
with the Muslim
Can I
personal law.
request
you?
There is nothing.
Can I request you just hear me for a minute and I'll make my point clear. My point is very simple. This is 2016. Dr. Asma Zahra, ये 2016 साल है. This is 2016. This is 21st century India, and you also need to listen to me, Dr. Asma Zahra. You need to listen to me, Dr. Asma Zahra, please. Dr. Asma Zahra, ये मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ कोर्ट की मीटिंग नहीं है, ये न्यूज़ आवर प्रोग्राम है. मेरी बात सुनिए प्लीज. और मैं ये कह रहा हूं तुझे, why in 2016 would there be different laws for Muslim women? Why should Muslim women not have the same constitutional rights as the rest of the women of India? Why is it that because today Afreen is a Muslim woman, her rights should be curtailed? Why should she not be able to go to court?
There is
Let her husband file a divorce petition in court. It is not against any religion to approach the court, and I think you are reflecting your insecurities tonight, Maulana Masoodul Hasan Kazmi.
In the Muslim
This
personal
is
law.
Arnab ji, this is the misuse of the law.
It is not
And
against
for
women.
any
It is
misuse,
not
you
against
cannot
men.
ban
It
anything.
is favorable
There
to
is
the
freedom
society.
of speech, and somebody violates it and misuse it. Would you like to ban the freedom of speech?
Just one-
It's
just
not
one-
about
There is
me. It's
liberty
not
for the
about me,
media,
Maulana Sahab.
and some
ये सिर्फ
people
मेरा
misuse the
example
liberty of
नहीं
this
है.
media. Would you like to ban the media? People who play the fake
No.
video of JNU, would you like to, because of this media, this misuse, would you like to ban the media? My point is
here's a
that
simple question to
misuses
you.
are there.
Listen to
We
नहीं,
me.
have
बात
to
यहाँ पे
make-
जिंदगी बर्बाद
take
होने
it-
की है. यहाँ
We
पे
have
बात
to
सिर्फ एक
take a
पर्टिकुलर
step
लोगों की नहीं है, पर्टिकुलर
to stop
सेगमेंट की
such
नहीं है,
type of
मौलाना साहब.
misuses.
यहाँ पे बात
Why
जिंदगी
make
बर्बाद होने की है.
Maulana
कि
Masood
parents-
Hasan Kazmi, if you can hear me for a minute, 1 second, Afreen, I just want to respond to him. Please understand this. Just because you are a man, don't look at things in a certain way. Maulana, 1 minute, I'm speaking to Maulana, I can't speak over 3 people together. It is discriminatory today because there is a law of a land. The law of a land recognizes a judiciary, a legislator and an executive. Why should any one of those walls be working with compromise because of regressive Muslim personal laws? It is discriminatory because we are not a country in which the eyes of the law looks at an individual through the lens of religion, caste, creed, color or gender. So what place does religion-based personal law have in this country? It has no place, Ahmad Ayaz. Religion-based
Personal law has
personal
been
laws
guaranteed
have
by
no
my
place in this country.
Constitution.
And
By
Ahmad
my
Ayaz.
Constitution.
And Ahmad Ayaz.
Personal
Can
law
I
has
speak to
been
Ahmad Ayaz please
guaranteed.
now?
It is one of the fundamental rights.
Ahmad Ayaz, have you read the preamble of the Constitution of India? In the preamble of the Constitution of India,
I'll tell you.
the words justice, liberty, equality and fraternity are highlighted. You can't say today that the Constitution of India does not apply to Muslim women. They will have no liberty. They will have
But
no
the
equality.
Constitution-
They will have
but
no
the
rights because they are Muslim
Constitution of
women.
India guarantees-
And because they were born as Muslim women, because they were born as Muslim women, they must be lesser human beings. The basic, what you are saying today is that today because Badr Saeed is a Muslim woman, because Afreen Rahman is a Muslim woman, because Zeenat Shaukat Ali is a Muslim woman, because Shaista Ambar is a Muslim woman, they will be treated as lesser citizens in their own country. You as a Muslim man have no right to say that. And you are showing your chauvinism on television
Indian
tonight.
Constitution-
And the fact is that
What the Indian
people like
Constitution
Afreen
you are
Rahman
referring to-
represent the young Muslim woman who's ready to take you on. Ahmad Ayaz, please.
We don't need your sermon, Arman.
Ahmad Ayaz, you don't need my sermon, but you need to follow the Constitution.
Even Indian Constitution too.
Yeah.
Indian Constitution too guarantees the right of freedom of religious, and it's not
Not at the
for
expense of a
Muslims only,
person's freedom.
Other religious.
This is not at the expense of a person's
It
freedom.
is for other religious also.
Show me a part of the Indian
And
Constitution
you see,
where it is
as a-
written. 1 second, you're a lawyer, right? Please tell me. Show me a part of the Indian Constitution where it is written that a person's right to liberty and freedom can be compromised at the altar of religion? Show me a section of the Indian Constitution. Show me.
Is it to me?
Yes, of course it is to you. Show me one line in the Indian Constitution where it is written that a person's right to freedom, equality and liberty will be lost in the name of religion. Show me one line.
No, why otherwise?
No, what do you mean no?
Curtailed or limited?
No, why is it? No, one second. Because show me one line which says that because somebody is a woman and because somebody is a Muslim woman, they will not have the same liberty and equality as any other citizen of India. Show me.
No.
No, what do you mean no? What kind of answer is that?
Constitution deals. No, Constitution, whatever, what way.
No, what do you mean, whatever Constitution? You're saying the Constitution does not apply to Muslim women. Sir, you're saying the Constitution does not apply to Muslim women. Fantastic. Fantastic argument. Constitution ही नहीं apply होता Muslim women पर.
नहीं.
क्योंकि मुसलमान woman है इसलिए Constitution ही apply नहीं होगा. Badr Saeed from Hyderabad is responding on the debate. Badr Saeed, please. Badr Saeed is responding tonight. Ahmad Ayaz is cornered. Badr Saeed.
Any Muslim
Badr
is
Saeed,
governed
please.
by the Muslim personal law. I tell you, Mr. Swami,
Badr Saeed,
any
please.
Muslim is first governed by the Muslim personal law.
Mr. Goswami, the first step we need to take for Muslim women to survive will be to dissolve the Muslim Personal Law Board immediately.
Well said.
That is what we women need to
Asma Zahra.
talk about.
That's right.
Secondly,
Dissolve the Muslim Personal
through
Law
your
Board.
times now, Mr. Goswami, one more minute. Just one more minute, Mr. Goswami. Through your times now channel, I would like to urge the Honorable Supreme Court of India to frame guidelines on how divorces among Muslims should be carried out. They have to give directions to the courts to see that Muslim men and women go to the courts of law and then dissolve their marriages.
I'm surprised
we need
actually.
the seal of the court
Badr
for
Saeed,
that.
Badr Saeed, the government has still to file a reply in the Supreme Court. The government has still not filed an affidavit. The government has still not filed an affidavit in the triple talaq case. And by the way, Ahmad Ayaz, let me tell you, these qazis, they make the situation worse. They give certificates validating triple talaq. The qazis give certificates validating triple talaq.
That is a writ I have filed in the Madras High Court.
I want to know from Maulana Masood Ullah Hasan Kazmi, please tell me there is a Qazis Act of 1880. Did the Qazis Act of 1880 give the Qazis the power to issue triple talaq certificates?
Sir,
No, what sir?
Qazi Act, we from the very beginning have been demanding Qazi Act should be given the power of penalization, penalty.
So they don't have the
If
power,
there
so
is
they've issued it to themselves.
Power of
Wonderful.
punishing
कुछ
the
भी कीजिए.
people who are
कुछ भी कीजिए.
misusing the talaq.
कुछ भी कीजिए.
There will be not
Religion
a
के नाम पे कुछ भी
single
कीजिए.
case of triple
किसी पे
talaq in
कब्जा
this
कीजिए.
country.
किसी पे discrimination कीजिए. Now that's Zina Shaukat Ali is wrapping up the debate. Zina Shaukat Ali.
मौलाना साहब, सबसे पहले ये बात है कि रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम हेटेड डिवोर्स. उन्होंने कहा कि डिवोर्स जो सबसे बुरी चीज अगर दुनिया में है तो वो डिवोर्स है, और सबसे अच्छी चीज है को इंसान को आप फ्रीडम दे दो. ये सही बात है.
मैं भी मानता हूं, लेकिन कभी-कभी औरतों को भी तलाक की जरूरत होती है.
आई वांट टू से, अभी आप सुनिए. और
औरतों को भी तलाक की जरूरत होती है जो कोर्ट में मांगती हैं जाके तलाक.
आप सुनिए प्लीज. अब आपकी टर्न खत्म हो गई, अब मेरी टर्न है. आप सुनिए मेरी बात. जब रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की सुन्नत के खिलाफ है तो फिर आप वो ट्रिपल तलाक कैसा प्रैक्टिस कर सकते? तलाक के बिदअत किसको कहते हैं मौलाना साहब? जो रसूल ने कभी किया नहीं, जो कभी उन्होंने अप्रूव नहीं किया, वो तलाक के बिदअत कहा जाता है. लेकिन आपने बिदअत को जायज बना दिया. आपको किसने ये हक दिया? ये आपको ये हक किसने दिया?
मौलाना मसूद
इस्लाम ने नहीं दिया. आपको ये हक
मौलाना मसूद उल्लाह हसन काज़मी,
आपको ये हक किसी ने नहीं दिया.
जान वापस नहीं
और
आती.
आप जो है
मौलाना आपने
anybody shoot any innocent person, so the shooter will be punished, and the innocent life will not come back.
Maulana, why don't you understand one simple point? You are not aware, and मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा है ये बोल के आपको, क्योंकि आप मौलाना ही नहीं, आप ईमान काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया के चेयरमैन हैं. मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा है, मगर आपने कुरान को ठीक तरीके से पढ़ा नहीं.
सुनिए आप,
आपने कुरान
You
को
are
ठीक से
giving
पढ़ी
me service.
छोड़ो कल
Yes,
की
I am.
बातें।
Yes, I am. No, no,
कल
one
की
second.
बात पुरानी।
One second.
नए दौर में लिखेंगे
Badr
हम।
Said, 1 minute. Badr Said, 1
कहानी।
minute. Badr Said,
I
1
am
minute.
PhD in Arabic, sir.
One second.
Arabic
Badr Said.
PhD.
मौलाना साहब,
Badr
आप
Said,
सुनिए
1 minute.
मौलाना साहब,
1 minute. Badr Said, 1 minute. Badr Said,
2016 है।
Badr Said. Yeah, Badr Said, go on.
हाँ, आप सुनिए, ये 2016 है। छोड़ो आप कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी। नए दौर में लिखेंगे हम सब मिलकर नई कहानी। हमको चाहिए आजादी, आप लोगों से आजादी चाहिए हमको।
Go to Special Marriage Act.
Well, I'll close the debate at this
Special
point.
Marriage Act में जाइए.
I'll
you
close
are
the debate
not
at this
ठेकेदार
point, and
of
I
the
want
Muslim women.
I want to
Why don't you go
congratulate
referendum?
Afreen Rahman. I want to
These are
congratulate
Muslim
Afreen
really
Rahman from
parties
Jaipur tonight. I want to congratulate Afreen Rahman from Jaipur tonight because she represents the young Muslim woman. Afreen Rahman, मैं आपको बधाई देता हूं कि आपने आके इस तरह से अपनी बात सबके सामने रखी। आपके साथ जो ये जुल्म हुई, इसके लिए आप फाइट कर रहे हैं। आपके साथ सारी देश है इधर। एंड दिस Muslim woman from Jaipur who has petitioned the Supreme Court after her husband divorced her under the provisions of triple talaq via speed post. She is fighting not a lonely battle. I have a feeling that there is going to be a change on triple talaq. To everyone tonight, I thank you very much for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you.